Let me give you another example of solving an equation for a variable when there is no replacement value for the other variable. 56.8 times t minus 18 equals r is an equation that we want to solve for t. That means they get t all by itself, excuse me, isolated on one side of an equation. So the idea is to perform the reverse operation in reverse order to get that job done. So right now t is multiplied by that number and then subtracted off that number. So we're going to start there and add both 18 to both sides to get rid of that negative 18 or minus 18. So here's what that looks like. So we're adding 18 to both sides. That and that combine to 0. And we get r plus 18 there. So those two wipe each other out, and on the left side we get 56.8t equaling r plus 18. And so that looks better, right? So now t is being multiplied by that number, and so we want to divide by that number on both sides. So the entire right side by 56.8 as well. Okay, so from previous examples, hopefully you get the feeling now that that coefficient and that denominator will divide out to be 1. But I'm going to rewrite it, take an extra step. Plus times t equaling the right side. So here we get this divided by this is 1 times t equaling this right side. Or just t here. So we get t equals this expression. That should be 56.8, sorry. 56.8. So t equals r plus 18 divided by 56.8. So we'll call that done. That is one answer. T has been this equation has been solved for t. So t is all by itself. So t equals that expression. Still correlates r and t's together by a symbolic rule, as did this equation correlates r's and t's together. That's just in a different format. It's an advantage. Again, if we're given a lot of r values, this would be more advantageous than that equation to calculate corresponding t values. In your book and in my activity, there actually is a different way we can rewrite this. Remember, when you have an expression like this divided by a single number, that single number divides both of the parts of the addition. So we could actually write this equation this way. T equals r divided by the denominator plus 18 divided by the denominator. So this is equivalent to this. So just so you're aware, we could actually write it in a different way as well. A third way, we could take this, recognize this could be written as 1 times r, so we could have this 1 over 56.8 times r right next to that fraction bar, plus 18 over 56.8. Make sure you can see that. So 3 different ways we can write our answer. So either one of these will work. Hope this helps.